Good morning, students. I hope all of you complete the worksheet. So let's see the answer for the worksheet. Okay. Choose the correct patterns. Okay. Last class we see the grammar pattern, sentence pattern. Okay. The wall collapsed. Okay. Which option is the correct option? SV or SVO or SVIODO? Which one is the right answer? Yes. B. Okay. Pooja hide a bicycle. Okay. SV, SVO, SVA. Which one is the correct answer? SVO. Meena is a doctor. SVO, SVC, SVA. Which one is the correct answer? SVC. I gave him a gift. Okay. Option SVO, SVIODO, SVDOIO. Which one is the right answer? SVIODO. Underline the conjunction in the following sentence. Last class we see the conjunction. Okay, there are three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. These are all conjunctions. Okay. So we have to underline which is the conjunction word. We have to underline it. Though Vijay is ill, he does not skip the class. Which one is the conjunction word here? Though. Sheila is intelligent but careless. Which is the conjunction word? But. Third question. As he was ill, he went to the doctor. Which is the conjunction word here? As. The bus was overcrowded, so Arun avoided traveling in it. Which is the conjunction word? So. Abhirami is both cute and lovely. Both and cute. Okay, correlative this. Next, find and use the clipped words in your whole sentence. Okay, advertisement. How will you write in the clipped words? Ad. For sentence, give and add for this product. Underline the add. Okay. Clip words, adding add. You have to make one sentence for this. Okay. Clip word, you have to make one sentence. Give and add for this product. Zoological park. Okay. How will you write? Zoo. Is it go zoo? Ravi visited the zoo yesterday. Zoo. Ravi visited the zoo yesterday. Mathematics. How will you write math? I like math subject. Okay. Next we go to the blended words. Find and use the blended word in your whole sentence. Motor plus pedal. How will you write? Mob. Okay. Next week, I will buy a mob. Next week, I will buy a mob. Spanish plus English. Spanish. She speaks Spanish fluently. duct wire. Duct wire, or else you will electrocute yourself. Here, electrocute, Spanglish, mopped. Okay, these are the own sentence you have to write it. Okay, don't touch that wire or else you will electrocute yourself. Today we are going to see new lesson, the prose, my reminiscence. Okay, reminiscence means remembers. Okay, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Already know the Rabindranath Tagore Jana Gana Mana national anthem, wrote by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, now we are going to see in this lesson Rabindranath Tagore introduction about the author. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861, died in 1941. Okay, he got Nobel Prize. Okay, Nobel Prize winner, Bengal poet, author, philosopher, artist and editor. Okay, he wrote Geetanjali in 1912. Okay, he wrote one book, Geetanjali. In this lesson we are going to see my reminiscence. Okay, 50th year. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore 50th years. That time he published this book. Okay. Then he went to Europe. Okay, he went to the trip Europe and America. Okay, now shall I read the author about the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, Nobel Prize winner, Bengali poet, author, philosopher, artist and editor, wrote Geetanjali 1912. My reminiscence was written and published in 50th year. Shortly before he started on the trip to Europe and America for his failing health in 1912. Okay, he got illness in 1912. It's the last trip for Rabindranath Tagore. It was in the course of its trip that he wrote first time in English language for publication. He is a Bengali writer. For first time he is writing in the English. Okay, English language for publication. Okay, now we are going to see lesson, My Reminiscence, written by Rabindranath Tagore. I will already say about the author Rabindranath Tagore. Now we see the meanings. Infable, beyond expression, languid, moving slowly, plaintive, sounding sad. Okay. Ministrations, carrying, row, cause, clustering, forming a group, blinching, to let air come out, vegetable, more exciting, grab, cloths, siesta, afternoon, nap, glimmed, shine, bower, shade under trace. Okay, in this lesson Rabindranath Tagore write about the rivers Ganges. Okay, he went to the brother's house. Okay, brother name is Jyotirendra. Okay, where they are living means West Bengal, Chandranagore. Okay, his brothers and his wife living in West Bengal. Okay, so that time Rabindranath Tagore going to his brother's house. In the river side he is sitting and seeing the nature. Okay, in this lesson about the river's nature only we are seeing about the prose. Okay, now we are moved to the lesson. When I returned home from the outset of my second voyage to England. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore returned. Okay, he went to the voyage means journey. He went to England. Okay, after returning to England, he went to his brother's house. Okay, my brother Jyotirendra and his sister-in-law. Sister-in-law means brother's wife. Were living in a riverside villa at Chandranagore in West Bengal, and there I went to stay with them. Okay, in the first paragraph what they are saying means introducing brother Jyotirendra and his wife living in this riverside. Okay, in the riverside, Vella means only one house is there. Okay, at Chandranahur, in the place Chandranahur in West Bengal is that West Bengal place. Okay, West Bengal. There I went to stay with them. Tagore went and stayed with their brother. Next, the Ganges again, those ineffable days and night, glide with joy, sad with longing. The Ganges again, those ineffable day and night, languid with joy, sad with longing, and tuned to the plaintive babbling of the river along the cool shade of its wooded bank. This Bengal sky full of light, this south breeze, this flow of the river, this right royal laziness, this broad leisure stretching from horizon to horizon and from green earth to blue sky. All these were to me as food and drink the hungry and thirsty. There I left indeed like home. In this I recognize the ministrations of a mother. Okay. In this para, what they are saying, with a sad longing. Okay. The river side. Okay. The river flowing means we can see the very sad longing. Tagore recapped his incredible days. Okay, he is recalling his days spent joyfully along the wooded bank of river Ganges. Okay, then next they are saying about the nature. Okay, the bright light, bright sky, breeze flowing of the rivers. Okay, it stretches from horizon to earth to sky. Okay, the green earth to blue sky. Okay, all these were to me as food and drink to the hungry and thirsty. Okay, these nature things and all, Rabindranath Tagore is saying, I no need to food and drink water. Okay, I like these natures and all. Okay, here I felt indeed like home. I felt like a home. Okay, and in this I recognize the ministrations of the mother. What does this meaning means? These natures and all my mothers likewise he is saying. Third paragraph, that was not so very long ago and yet time has wrought many changes. Our little riverside nest clustering under their surrounding greenery have been replaced by mills in the which now dragon like everywhere. Ran there, missing heads, bleaching for black smoke. In the midday, the glare of modern life, even our halls of mental system have been narrowed down to the lowest limit. And a hydra-headed undressed has invaded very department of life. Maybe this is for the better, but I for one cannot account it wholly to the good. Okay, this paragraph the author noticed many changes. Okay, after very long time he is coming to his village. Okay, West Bengal, Chandranahur. He is seeing many changes. Okay, many changes he is seeing in this Ganges. Okay, when he visited the Ganges after a long time, the greenery had been replaced by huge noisy mills. Okay, in this green leaves and all replacement changes like big factory. Okay, huge factory they are building in the riverside. Okay, dragon like this big factories. Okay, everywhere rat their hissing head bleaching from black smoke. You have seen the factory, okay. In the factory, we can see the smoke, black color smoke will come, okay, through the air, okay, like this. The author is saying, in the midday, the glare of modern life, even our house for mental siesta have been narrowed. Okay, siesta means in the nature time, he can sleep in the afternoon. But nowadays, the factory will be there like this. He can't able to sleep. Maybe this is for the better, but I for one cannot count it wholly to the good. Okay, it's a better for generation. This generation is better, but I don't like this. See, the author is saying like this. These lovely days of mine at the riverside passed by like so many dedicated lotus blooming floating down the scared stream. Some rainy afternoon I spent in a vegetable frenzy singing away old Vaishnava song to my own tune, accompanying myself on a harmonium. On another afternoon, we would drift along in a boat, my brother Jyotirendra accompanying my singing with his violin. And as being with the Puravi 50, we went on varying the mode of our music with the declining day. We saw on reaching the Bihaha, the western sky closed the door of its factory of golden toys, the moon on the east rising over the fringe of trees. Okay, in this line, what they are saying, the author spent his afternoon time at the riverside. Okay, he is spending his time in the riverside. On the riverside, we can see the dedicated lotus. See the picture in the river, we can see the lotus blooming. Okay, lotus flowers are blooming, floating down the holy stream. Scared means holy stream. Some rainy afternoon I spent in a veritable friends singing old Vaishnava. Okay, that time afternoon the rain is coming. That time author, okay, singing a song. Okay, Vaishnava song to my own tune. He is creating the own tune with the harmonium. Okay, when they are going to the boat, that time, okay, one another afternoon, we would draft along a boat. Okay, one afternoon, his brother and Tagore going in the boat. That time, okay, Tagore singing a song, his brother violin, okay, instrument, okay, his brother playing the violin till the evening. Okay, this he can enjoy to the river. Okay, and as being with Puravi, okay, they are singing, no, the sun setting time, they are started singing till they are singing up to midnight. Bihaha means mid-time. Mid-time they are singing continuously. The western sky closed the door of its factory of golden toys. Okay, the western sky closed the door. Okay, the night will be coming. The moons are settled on the east rise over the fringes of trees. Here fringe means you can see the trees border, small flowers is there. Okay, that rising time is coming. Okay, then we would row back to the landing step of the villa and set ourselves on a cute spread on the trays framing the river. By then a silver piece rested on both land and water. Hardly any boat were about. The fringe of trees on the bank was reduced to a deep shadow. The moonlight gleamed over the smooth flowing stream. Okay, after the journey, okay, they are going to the boat. The night will came. Next day at the night, Tagore sat on the trays facing the river. He is staying in their house. okay, facing the river. Okay, he viewed the river reflecting the moonlight, dark trees bordering the river bank, and silver stretch sparkling separate the land and water. Okay, in this paragraph, what they saying means, okay, in the he is staying in the house and see the river. Okay, the reflection of the moonlight, we can see the river. Okay, dark trees bordering the river bank. Okay, the trees and all very dark. Okay, and a silver streak separate the land and water. Okay, the moonlight will come in like a silver. Okay, silver over the smooth flowing stream. The villa we were living was known as Monarch Garden. Okay, villa garden means Monarch garden. They are saying their living place is Monarch garden. A flight of stone flagged step led up from the water to a fog broad veranda which formed part of house. The rooms were not regularly arranged nor all on the same level, and some had to be reached by the short flight of stairs. The big sitting room overlooking the land set had stained glasses windows with colored picture. Okay, next the author is described his villa. Villa means the living place. Okay, Morris garden. It has stone step leading to a broad veranda. Okay, in this place we can see big stones. Okay, big stones, broad veranda which formed part of the house. The rooms were not regularly arranged. Okay, the rooms were not in the same level, not regularly arranged, not neatly arranged. The big sitting room facing the landscape had starred glass window with colored picture. Okay, the big sitting room. Okay, sitting room is facing the landscape. Okay, through the window, glasses. Okay, glass window with colored picture. Okay, in some our house we can see the door. There will be the glass. Okay, with colored pictures. Okay, like this the author is saying. One of the picture was of a swinging hanging from a branch of hidden in dense foliage, and in the checked light and shade of his bower, two persons were swinging, and another of a broad flight of steps leading into some castle-like palace, up and down, with men and women in feast grab were going and coming. When the light fell on the window, these pictures shone wonderfully, seeming to fulfill the riverside atmosphere with holiday music. So far away, long forgotten rivalry seemed to be expressing itself in silent bursts of light. The love thrills of the swinging couples make alive with the eternal story, the wooden land of the river bank. In this paragraph, in the author saying two examples. Okay, one of the picture has swing hanging for the dense branches in a couple on it. Okay, they are swinging. Okay, they are swinging in the branch with couples. Okay, like this they draw the picture. The other picture had people walking on the staircase leading to the castle like palace. Okay, they are living in the palace in grand dresses when the light fell on the glasses. Okay, these pictures and all we see in the glasses, it look very beautiful. Okay, the author comparing these pictures. Okay, wonderful shading to riverside atmosphere. These and all seen in the riverside house. Okay, he look atmosphere is whole holiday music. Okay, some for the long forgotten. Okay, these picture and all author is recalling, they are all living. Okay, the lovers' thrills of the swinging couples make alive with their eternal story the wooden land of the river bank. Okay, the author is saying these two pictures and all. Okay, living pictures. Okay, alive means living with the eternal story. Okay, they are saying story in the woodland of the river bank. They are living in the riverside. Okay, the topmost room of the house was in a round tower with windows open to every side. Okay, in the topmost room only, Rabindranath Tagore is sitting. He writing this story. Okay, sitting. Topmost room of the house was in a round tower with windows open to every side. Okay, when Rabindranath Tagore writing the place, all the rooms windows are open. This I used as my room for writing poetry. Nothing could be seen for then save the top of the surrounding trees and open sky. Okay, through this room he can easily observe the nature. Okay, open sky and the surroundings and all trees he can see easily. I was then busy with the evening song of this room. I wrote this poem. There were in the best of limitless space, cloud or light to sleep. I have built my home for thee, O Posey. Okay, what is this line saying means the author saying clouds are sleeping like me. Okay, I have built my house there. Okay, he says I have built my house for thee of Posey. The poem about the clouds. Okay, he said I want to sleep in the cloud. Okay, thank you students. We will see the next class.